Hey guys, so for Self-Love Sunday, I'm gonna just film standing out in nature that I don't have as easy access to anymore. It's really beautiful out right now. So I think I just want to focus on, being grateful for being able to be here in this now, being able to enjoy this, the sunshine, the sound of the birds, even the insect that just flew into me. Hang on. So maybe let's just do a few deep breaths together. We can hear some talking in the background, but that's okay. And some kids playing. But let's take a few deep breaths together. I'm just going to do 3 sets of, breathing in. Hang on. 3 sets of just breathing in slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 8 seconds, breathe out 7 seconds. Wait, is that right? No. Hold 7 seconds, breathe out 8 seconds. I'm getting it mixed up, but let's do hold 7, breathe out 8, inhale 4. All right, I'm not going to count for you guys. I'm just going to do it 3 times in a row. All right, here we go. There we go. Oh, am I able to? No, I'm not able to turn it around. See if you guys can take a look at some of the sunshine. I don't know how much you're seeing, how much you're able to see. The trees haven't grown in yet. However, what I just noticed is we do have, yeah, can you see? Yeah, we've got buds. We've got buds popping up. Wait, where are we? Where are we? I can't tell. I'm having a hard time seeing because the sun. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we got buds. But they just haven't bloomed yet. So we're getting there. All right. Thanks you guys for everything. I love you all very much. And as always, have a wonderful now.